This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I've got the third hot stock that I want you to take a look at for 2019 to show you yet another one that may be ready to explode. We've taken a look at Amazon and NVIDIA so far. On NVIDIA, I showed you a stock that has basically been sawed in half over the past handful of months, but may now be ready to reverse its course and head higher. Micron falls into a very similar scenario. It was trading at 65 at its high in 2018, and it moved below 30 recently. So it's lost more than half its value, but now it finds itself at a very interesting spot where it may finally be time for Micron to change its fate and begin a much larger advance. So here's Micron. I'm showing you here, this is obviously not all of its action since inception, but I'm showing you all the action that matters to us, and that is the advance off the 2016 low. You can see on this chart here, it has traced out a very nice 5-wave advance, very clear, every aspect of it. And then in early 2018, things have changed. Obviously, it went sideways, back, forth a little bit, and then absolutely tanked. So this is just an absolutely beautiful setup from an Elliott Wave standpoint if it can find support here. So after it completed this nice 5-wave advance up into the early 2018 low, the pullback since then has retraced almost perfectly 61.8% of the advance off the 2016 low. If you follow us or if you follow Fibonacci, you know that's a hugely important support level, and it tells us everything we need to know. If this pullback continues, reverses back down, and continues down, I have no interest whatsoever in Micron technology. That would tell me that an even more important high is in. However, if it can find support here around the area where it has put in a low in 2018, late 2018, and continue higher from here, it is going to look like an amazing buying opportunity where we start to see another massive multi-month, potentially multi-year type up leg follow this one here. So that's what's at stake. Let's zoom in a little bit. This looks a little bit closer at the pullback in 2018. It's not super clear, this down leg. It's kind of been choppy. It's bounced a lot. It's just reversed back down, which has been the story basically of most things in 2018. The one thing that's different, again, about what is happening now is that it has now tested a 61.8% retracement of the up leg that preceded it, and now it is trying to create a base and turn higher. So what we want to see as a good indication that Micron has finally put in an important low and is ready to head much higher, for starters, would be a move above 36. That would be a good indication that at least December's down leg is over and that the stage is set for a much larger advance. A move above 36 should coincide with a move above this downtrend line that's been in play for much of the year, so that would be a good indication. The other thing we want to see is the formation of a trendy 5-wave advance off of December's low. It's not there yet. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Here's a look at it. It looks like it has the potential to be trendy. It gave us this up leg here that lasted just a handful of sessions, but since then it's kind of been around and up and down and everything else. What it needs to do to maintain trendy potential off of December's low is to stay above 30, 50 at all times. As long as it does that, it has the potential to continue significantly higher from here. Again, we want to see a move above 36 as a little bit more support that a low is in, but we'd like to see a larger 5-wave move form here to indicate that an important low is in. If it can do those things, this is going to look like a huge opportunity. If we zoom back out, it's going to look again like a massive counter trend pullback has completed and has corrected this up leg, and that a brand new large 5-wave advance is kicking off for Micron to recoup everything it lost in the 2018 year and then some. So this one's going to be watched very closely on our end. It's one you should be watching as well because it looks like it could be a fantastic buying opportunity for 2019. So this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. This is the third video in this 4-part series I'm doing today. We've taken a look at Amazon, NVIDIA, and and Micron. Next up, we're going to take a look at Twitter to wrap it up. So give me 1 minute. I'll get that video posted as well.